Hello! I'm Broccoli. I activate fat-burning power naturally. Naturally. Hello! I'm Ginger. I boost heat to burn fat faster. Hello! I'm Avocado. I help remove unhealthy fat from your body.
Hello, I'm Apple. I help clean excess fat gently.
Hello! I'm Green Tea. I help reduce fat naturally. Hello! I'm Walnut. I support healthy fat balance. Hello, I'm Egg. Strong, steady, and full of protein power. I help your body break down stubborn fat naturally.
Hello, I'm Oats. I soak up extra fat and keep things clean.
Hello, I'm Chia Seed. I slow fat down and keep your flow clean.